The apprenticeship program impacted my career as I gained more knowledge in early childhood fields, which it helps me to better serve the families in our center.
There's a lot of people that I'm surrounded by that I feel like really want to see me improve and grow as a person.
It feels amazing. Honestly, it gives me like a little push to keep going, and knowing that I have like a big support system here that really wants us to be successful in our education and keep growing. It really helps me a lot.
Make sure we have skins, because we don't really keep a lot of skins.
What led us to consider apprenticeships for our workforce was really around like a strategic plan. We looked at it as a way to employ in the communities that we serve from a hospital standpoint. So we were able to bring in new talent, also diverse talent into our workforce.
I believe some of the benefits involved with the program is just getting your feet wet, and two, being able to be in an actual organization, seeing how an organization works. There's a lot of people that I'm surrounded by that I feel like really want to see me improve and grow as a person.
We found that their programming really aligned with the technologies that we were using, and we also found that they were flexible in how they worked with us and allowed for us to generate a really robust program.
So being part of the apprenticeship program has been very beneficial for our school. We've been able to recruit staff that have been interested in early childhood, but being part of the apprenticeship program has given them the competency-based learning that then helps them elevate their credentials.
As soon as I received my ECEC certificate from the apprenticeship program, I realized that I needed to continue my education in early childhood, and so right now I am pursuing and continuing to get my associate's degree.
I feel like it was a big benefit, be able to put it in practice what we've been learning.
I think one of the benefits is just staff feeling proud of themselves. Something that they felt was not achievable became achievable. And I think that's one of the best things, is that they're achieving their own goals and personal goals.
I just think that the apprenticeship is a great program, honestly, and anybody who has the opportunity to be in that program, they should take it.